Lexus of Maplewood, part of the Village Automotive Group, has been elevating the luxury car buying experience since 1996. Here's the vehicle for you.
Among 7 passenger utility vehicles, there are those designed primarily for on-road and those for off-road. Seldom is there one engineered specifically to excel on both. Until now, the 2014 Lexus GX. The GX 460 is filled with answers, to name a few. A suspension system that helps enhance your capability on and off-road, and an engine that's more powerful and fuel efficient than ever before, with a 301 horsepower 4.6-liter V8 engine. The Kinetic Dynamic suspension system is the best for both on and off-road worlds. Remarkably spacious, with a host of accommodations, the available dual-screen rear seat entertainment system in the GX enables 2 video sources to be viewed at the same time. The GX is loaded with technology to help you see more and react faster to potentially avoid a collision. And if one is unavoidable, the GX is equipped with 10 airbags, more than any vehicle in its class. The 2014 Lexus GX. There's no time like the present.
We're proud to be the recipients of the Elite of Lexus Award. Stop into Lexus of Maplewood today for outstanding customer satisfaction and a great selection of new and pre-owned vehicles. We're conveniently located at 3000 Highway 61 North in Maplewood, Minnesota.